What responsibilities does a plaintiff have in small claims court? Imagine stepping into a small claims court knowing you have a fair shot at resolving your dispute. But what exactly do you need to do to make sure your case runs smoothly? Let's break down the responsibilities of a plaintiff in this simplified courtroom setting. First, you have to file a formal complaint or claim with the court. This means writing down exactly how much money you are asking for and why the defendant owes you. You will need to pay a filing fee, which varies by location but is usually between $20 and $50. Be sure to include your full name, address, and contact details so the court can reach you easily. You also need to correctly identify the defendant and provide their current address. This helps ensure they receive the court papers and know about the case. After filing, your next responsibility is serving the defendant with a copy of the complaint and a summons. This is how they learn about the lawsuit and the date of the court hearing. You can serve these documents by certified mail, personal delivery by a sheriff, or an authorized person. Usually you pay for this service yourself. Once the defendant is served, it's your job to prepare for the trial. Gather all evidence that supports your claim. This could include receipts, contracts, photographs, canceled checks, or letters. Organize everything so it's easy to present in court. You should also find witnesses who can testify on your behalf if needed. On the day of the hearing, you must show up in court ready to tell your story clearly. Present your evidence, answer questions from the judge, and question any witnesses you bring. Be honest and concise. The court might suggest a settlement conference before the trial begins. Be prepared to negotiate if the opportunity arises. If you win the case and the court awards you money, your responsibility does not end there. You need to take steps to collect the judgment if the defendant does not pay voluntarily. This could involve additional legal actions like wage garnishments or bank levies. In summary, your main responsibilities are filing the claim correctly, serving the defendant properly, preparing your evidence, presenting your case effectively, and following through to collect if needed. These steps help keep the process fair and organized, even in a simple courtroom environment where parties often representing themselves.